Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age. Now if you're like me, you watch the designer, those runway shows, but sometimes you say to yourself, who would wear that? Well, the designers do set the trends, so what I decided to do is just kind of filter out the wild ones and find styles that are trending for fall that you can actually wear. So today I have 8 trends for you in this video. Now, as you know, I always show you affordable styles that you can actually wear, and there's something about just adding a little something to your wardrobe that really gives you confidence and really boosts your self-esteem. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all that, and you can kind of mix and match them with your own wardrobe. But let's start with trend number 1. And it's a 1960s vibe. And in this next modeling that I'm going to be doing for you, I have a tweed kind of jacket, and that's also what's trending. Here I have a very 1960s inspired outfit. And I remember my mom used to wear something like this. The short style blazer is available in 4 colors and just $60. It goes beautifully with a stretchy pencil skirt for $20, and the white and pink purse for $37 is also a throwback to the 1960s with its carrying handles. Now, I went to an event last week and I actually carried my purse by the handles. And I really wanted to give off with the outfit I was wearing a 1960s vibe. Now, I did have the crossbody strap inside of the purse, just in case I wanted to attach it and have a little bit more ease of movement. Now, I'm wondering if you noticed my shoes in that last outfit. Well, Slingback shoes, those are trend number 2, and although they kind of go with the 1960s vibe, you can wear them with almost anything. So here's that retro 1960s look again, and those pink Slingbacks with a kitten heel are just $40, and they are in a faux suede finish with 10 other colors available. And here's another outfit I wore just the other day, and metallics are still trending. I wore this silver camisole with a navy blazer and that white pencil skirt. I wore these metallic Slingbacks for $40, and again, they have the kitten heel, and they're available in 12 other colors, including gold. And finally, dare to wear red. I love to wear red, and these low heel patent leather look pumps are amazing for $60. They come in 25 other colors and patterns, and I really need to get another pair of these. And the polka dot dress, last time I checked, it was on sale for just $45. Now let's take a look at all 3 of these awesome slingback shoes all together. Every one of them is on trend and makes a styling statement. They also all have the lower heels, so they're much more comfortable to walk in. And by the way, when I was at that event, a woman actually came up to me and said how much she loved my silver slingback shoes. And if you're interested in shoes, don't forget to go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 and check out my shoe section. There you go. Oh, and by the way, if you're worried about ordering shoes, don't be, because Amazon has a great refund policy. And of course, if you're looking for some of the other outfits that I modeled in this video, you'll find them underneath the video description and also in the comments. All right, so let's talk about another fashion item that was on the runway for many designers. I think we can get excited about this one. It's the leather or faux leather look. So let's take a look at a couple of my outfit inspirations. First, I have a beautiful faux leather wrap skirt by The Drop. It's $55 and it goes up to size 3X. It also comes in a camel color. I paired it with a beautiful silky white shirt for $20. This look is classic as well as edgy. For trend number 4, moto jackets are still trending in leather, faux leather, and suede and faux suede as well. So let's take a look at 2 of my favorites. This faux leather jacket looks like the real thing, and although it goes with just about anything, it's perfect with a pair of jeans on a fall day. The jacket, last time I checked, was 39% off for just $49, and it also comes in a range of colors. Although this style is trending, I know you can wear this jacket for years to come. And how about this moto jacket in faux suede for just $47? I also have it in a rust color, and I love them both. And if you like videos like these made by a former model who loves fashion at any age, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. All right, let's take a look at another fall trend. Trend number 5 are capes. And I think this might have something to do with a 1960s retro style, but I have a cape that I absolutely love to wear, and I think you're going to love it too. Let's take a look. I wear this cape when the weather is cooler and I'm wearing a lovely dress. It has faux fur and it's just $47. It comes in 5 other colors, including white and red. It's so chic and elegant. And I remember going to a gala when it suddenly started raining, and this cape just went over my head, and I was protected from the car to the front door of the event. And my hair and makeup, it still looked great. And talking about elegance, shiny, satiny, silky materials, they're really trending for number 6. And I love to wear this look underneath a jacket because it really brings up the classiness a notch. So let's take a closer look. Here I have a rust blazer that's fully lined for just $59. And by the way, it also comes in 23 other colors, including navy and also red that I also own and love. Notice how a silky camisole underneath really ramps up the look, and it's just $14. I also love this new pink satiny top that I recently bought for $24, and it's available in 8 other colors up to size 3XL. Notice how it sets off my navy blazer, which is the same make as the rust one. It gives this blazer a more elegant and chic look. Oh, and don't forget to know your measurements, and for every item that you take a look at online, measure it against their online size chart. You know, you really do want to get it right the first time. Oh, and also don't forget to stay until the end of this video where I'm going to have another inspirational message for you. All right, we're on trend number 7. And it's the color green. And green is showing up in every kind of shade on the runways. And I know for most women, they really look good in this color. It's actually one of my favorites. So let's take a look at some outfit inspirations. Here I've mixed the satiny, silky material with a gorgeous green shirt. It's the same shirt as the white one I showed with the same faux wrap leather skirt, and it's just $20. It also comes in 10 other colors. I also have this beautiful green dress by Grace Karen, and last time I checked it was 35% off, so it's only $35. It can also be worn open as a vest for a versatile fall outfit inspiration. What a great summer to fall transition. And next, knits are trending. And I absolutely love how versatile this next knitted sweater is for you. And after that, I'm going to have a sweater kind of knitted dress with knitting, but also lace. So I can't wait to show you how I modeled that. I showed this sweater folded up on a recent video, and many of you wanted more information, so here it is. It's available for just $40 and it comes in 7 colors. I love how I can wear a white cami underneath and make it into a cardigan, or just zip it up and roll it up to make it look like a sweater. And here's that beautiful knit sweater dress with lace sleeves. And it's just about $40. It's available in 12 other colors and perfect for that chilly kind of autumn evening. This could be a new addition for fall as your little black dress, and it also has a slimming effect. So what I just showed you is a simple way to really rev up your style game with a few little items to help you with your outfit inspirations. And you know, it's just amazing how a silver slingback shoe or a leather or a faux leather moto jacket can really help you to feel fabulous and chic. Now, I know that some of you're in a rut and you put out the same old clothes year after year for fall. And you know what? That's okay. But what I'm going to say is, why be just okay? Let's bring it up from drab to fab. Many of these items are going to add a little something to your autumn wardrobe. And I carefully selected them so you'll look fabulous, but you also won't break the bank. So let's do a little mixing and a little matching, and let's get some great outfit inspirations. And for me, it's just one more way to be loving our age.